Hi friends, today we are going to learn about some advanced blast furnace chemical reaction and process short question and answer. So let's start. Question number 1. What governs indirect reduction efficiency in BF? Answer. CO by CO2 ratio, temperature, and gas permeability. Why is FeO reduction thermodynamically critical? Answer. FeO to Fe controls final oxygen removal before melting. Define solution loss reaction. Answer. CO2 plus C gives to CO, strongly endothermic. Why is solution loss undesirable in excess? Answer. Increases coke rate and heat demand. What controls Bosch gas composition? Answer. Raft, oxygen enrichment, PCI, and moisture. Why is thermal reserve zone important? Answer. Indicates gas-solid equilibrium efficiency. What is the role of hydrogen in reduction? Answer. Accelerates indirect reduction kinetics. Why is H2 reduction advantageous? Answer. Produces H2O instead of CO2. What is silicon transfer mechanism? Answer. Silicon oxide reduction followed by dissolution into hot metal. Why does high raft increase silicon? Answer. Enhances silica reduction at Tuer zone. How does sulfur transfer occur? Answer. Sulfur partitions between slag, metal, and gas. Why is high basicity needed? Answer. Improves sulfur absorption into slag. What is indirect reduction? Answer. Reduction by carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas. Why is indirect reduction preferred? Answer. Lower thermal load and better efficiency. What controls top gas utilization? Answer. Burden distribution and gas flow.